Hi there and welcome to this video. This video is about people having issues with file compression under Linux Mint. Nemo is the name of the file manager, that's the name of it. And when you right click and compress, sometimes it looks like it's not working, it just hangs up. But that's not really what's happening, and this video is going to explain why it appears that it's locked up. Down here we have the system monitor, which I've brought up and resized up here on the right hand side. I've also selected the percentage of CPU to be the highest CPU user on top. Right now my simple screen recorder is hogging up a lot. Once you have all of the files selected that you want to zip into a zip file, simply right click on any one of them and say compress. And that's the file name it's going to use, which is a folder name, and that's the location where it's going to place this zip file. There's other options here. You can password protect the zip file. You can break it into multiple pieces if it comes out being too large. And we're just going to click create. Now right now it looks like it's locked up. 8 files remaining, nothing's happening, but if you go up here and you look, 7Z is actually running. And that shows what it's doing and where it's putting the results. So it's actually working, but it looks down here like it's locked up. When you have a really big file, it just seems like it's never going to finish. So in fact, it does eventually finish, but a lot of these files that are huge, like video files, can be very large. It just takes it time to process all these video files into the zip container format. So you notice now it just finished. That's the name of the zip file. And the 7Z went away. So I just wanted to point out that sometimes it looks like it's locked up. I myself thought it was locked up. In fact, I went and searched on what's causing it to lock up, and it turns out that a lot of people think it's locking up, but in fact it isn't. It's just handling large files. So that's all I have to say on this video about compression. Let's hope that in the near future Nemo fixes this compression status bar issue so it doesn't make it look like it's locked up.